The inland Northwest is home to a wide variety of mushrooms, from the deadly amanita to the highly prized morel. Unique mushrooms can be found from Mount Spokane State Park to Priest Lake to the mountains of the Kettle Range. Many mushrooms often have a distinctive odor, especially when they are crushed. Some smell like cucumbers, creosote, fish, garlic, or raw potatoes. Mushrooms have been the source of a great deal of myth and folklore for centuries. The ancient Greeks believed mushrooms came from Zeus's lightning because they appeared after rains. In the Middle Ages, the circular patterns formed by some mushrooms were dubbed fairy rings and thought to be the work of the little people, who supposedly danced around them at midnight, performing magic rites. Many mushrooms are capable of forming fairy rings, including the aptly named fairy ring mushroom, which grows on lawns. By measuring the annual growth rate, it has been estimated that some fairy rings in the Midwest prairies are 600 years old. The best way to learn about mushrooms is to join a mushroom club, such as the Spokane Mushroom Club. For more information about them, you can go online to SpokaneMushroomClub.com. If you are looking for a good book on mushrooms, I recommend Mushrooms Demystified by David Aurora. It is the most comprehensive and knowledgeable book available and includes many wonderful color photographs. As we say in the mushroom circles, may the fungi be with you.
Daddy, whatever happened to the old buffalo? I know he don't roam here no more. And at school today, they say he's gone away, and no one ever says just what for. Oh, listen, my son, tell you how the West was won, how them herds fell to the big needle guns. But the ghost of them herds still pound o'er the earth, and their spirit is still on the run. And the spirit is still on the run. It's American dream moving on, where the memory is free, left to you and to me, and their spirit is still on the run. Daddy, whatever happened to the old grizzly bear? I know he once roamed the West wide, and at school today he's pushed back to stay in the mountains where he has to hide. Oh, listen, my son, tell you about these proud ones, where they stalk all others, walk small. But man, to his shame, can't stand the untamed, and there's some that wouldn't have him at all. But the spirit is still on the run. It's American dream moving on, where the memory is free, left to you and to me, and the spirit is still on the run. Daddy, whatever happened to the big piney forest, the prairies that stretched out like seas? 'Cause the school books, they say, these were all in the way when the settlers come a-swarming like bees. Listen, my son, hey, all these have gone. It's sad, but it's not been in vain. Where the life's blood was bought, and where the spirit it brought, a whole country was born into fame. And all that have died or been swept to the side, they still give us hope, everyone. They give us dreams of the free and what is better and can be, and the spirit is still on the run. And the spirit is still on the run. It's American dream moving on, where the memory is free, left to you and to me, and the spirit is still on the run. And the spirit I grew up in love with the forest and the wild things. When I was just a lad at 12, I read a book called Silent Spring. Even through the eyes of a child, that wisdom, it rang true. We're all part of this web of life, that's what it all comes down to. I'm singing this song for Rachel and for the elders of my tribe. I'm singing it for the children and this old earth on which we ride. There won't be no silent spring, and there will come a better day if we keep singing this song for Rachel and remember what she had to say. Rachel loved this planet and all the faces it could show. She loved all the life from the birds on the wing to the insects down below. She showed us how all things in life are all rolled into one. We're all drinking from the same well, sustained by the same old sun. I'm singing this song for Rachel and for the elders of my tribe. I'm singing it for the children and this old earth on which we ride. There will be no silent spring, and there will come a better day if we keep singing this song for Rachel and remember what she had to say. Voice raised in love is a seed sown in the dust. That one voice makes a difference. Rachel showed that all to us. I'm singing this song for Rachel, for John Muir and Leopold. I'm singing for William O. Douglas, for Brower and Cousteau. I'm singing it for Ed Abbey too, Bob Marshall and Thoreau. I'm singing for Marty Newry and all my earth heroes. I'm singing this song for Rachel, for Jane Goodall and Audubon. I'm singing for Sigurd Olsen, all their courage that lives on. There will be no silent spring, and there will come a better day if we keep singing this song for Rachel and remember what she had to say. I'm singing this song for Rachel and for the elders of my tribe. I'm singing for the children and this old earth on which we ride. There will be no silent spring, and there will come a better day if we keep singing this song for Rachel and remember what she had to say. I'm singing this song for Rachel and for the elders of my tribe. I'm singing it for the children and this old earth on which we ride. And there will be no silent spring, and there will come a better day if we keep singing this song for Rachel and remember what she had to say. Listen to my voice and what I have to say, for we have a choice facing us today. We can take the low road, or we can take the high. We can walk in shadow, or we can reach for the sky. You ask me what?
You ask me what?
One person can do.
One person can do.
You ask me how?
You ask me how?
We can see it through.
We can see it through.
You ask me why?
You ask him why?
I'm singing for
He's
you.
singing for
Just
you.
wanna make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
You can make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
Won't you take my hand and won't you grip it strong? We can walk together as we sing this song. We can sing of the wisdom that holds the key to a life of harmony with the land and the sea. You ask me how?
We can see it through.
We can see it through.
You ask me why?
You ask me why?
I'm singing for you.
He's
Just wanna
singing
make
for
a
you.
difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
You can make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
Time to walk a new path. One the planet can live by.
One at peace with the earth and sky.
Well, just one action can inspire another.
And me a shining light for your sisters and your brothers. Oh, ask me what?
You ask me what?
One person can do.
One person can do.
You ask me how?
You ask me how?
We can see it through.
We can see it through.
You ask me why?
ask him why.
I'm
He's
singing for you. Just wanna make a difference.
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 You can make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference.
Just wanna make a difference. You ask me why?
Oh, ask me what?
One person can do.
One person can do.
You ask me
Oh,
how?
ask him how.
We can see it through.
We can see it through.
You ask me why?
You ask me why?
I'm
singing for you.
Just wanna make a difference.
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 You can make a difference.
Just wanna make a
Just
difference.
wanna make a difference.
Oh, I wanna make a difference.
You can make a difference.
Just wanna 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 make a
Just wanna make a
difference.
difference.
Just wanna make a
Just wanna
difference.
make a
Song is like a thread woven in the string, twisted and tied to everything. And time has shown nothing stands alone, all nature in it sings. The clouds build up and the rain falls down, feeds the rivers ocean bound. Each wayward stream flows forth a dream, an endless dance and song. It's a circle of life for 11. It's a circle every which way. There's a lesson there for the giving, so go on and give it away. It's a wonderful world in which we dwell. You treat her right and she keeps you well. Don't step astray in nature's way. In the long run she can tell. It's a circle of life for 11. It's a circle every which way. There's a lesson there for the giving, so go on and give it away. It's
It's a planet of blue with islands of green, shares this life and all it means. Each death and birth brings to this earth a whole circle come and clean. It's a circle of life we're living, it's a circle every which way. There's a lesson there for the giving, so go on and give it away. Takes a seed and away she blows. So where she stops nobody knows, until she's bound to a little piece of ground and the life within her grows. It's a circle of life for a living, it's a circle every which way. There's a lesson there for the giving, so go on and give it away. It's a circle of life for a living, it's a circle every which way. There's a lesson there for the giving, so go on and give it away. Go on and give it away. Go on and give it away.
Climb the mountains and get their good tidings. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. With these words, naturalist John Muir invited us to explore the wonders of this world.